So one more day of practice on area of composite figures instead of starting a new lesson today going into spring break. Let's just review. Good job yesterday. Those of you guys that are starting to show your work. I need work from all of you guys now. Like I put on the comments that if you're not showing your work, it's going to be -4. So if you go from having them all right to no work, that's going to be a score of a 16 out of 20. So please show your work. It's very important, and you will get points still for all of the problems that you have incorrect if you're showing your work on those problems. And it's very helpful in a problem like this here. We had a lot of people get this one wrong yesterday. You have to see that the base is not 15 for the triangle. It's for all the way across. And then you have the opposite end of the rectangle there, which is 3. So you got to subtract 15 minus 3, and now this becomes 12. And then a quick reminder, in all the circles, I have a bunch of you guys. First of all, you have to find the radius of your diameter there. So if it's 4 all the way across, you have to divide by 2. And then it's 2 squared times pi. All right, and for purposes of these activities, we're using 3.14. And then at the end of that problem, after you've done that, then you divide by 2 for the semicircle. So it was too much dividing by some of you guys yesterday. Over here we had those two go together and those two go together, so that's technically 2 circles there. So please be careful, no simple mistakes. Alright, so today take a look at our different shapes. Alright, so once again we have semicircles there and there, so you got to be smart about it. You have to think this is from 4 to here and 4 to here, so I have to figure out what these little segments are, and I do that by comparing to the opposite side. Alright, so rectangles again have opposite sides the same. Alright, so please pay attention, and all of these ones, the little details are very, very important, and it makes a difference. Okay, so take a look here. We have this side right here is all the way across. 12 minus this segment right here will get you there. Alright, so please be careful. Alright, let's take a look at the other one. Alright, here, take a look at, we have 3 semicircles, and we have no lengths or widths there, but you got to do use your math proportions now, right? If it's 18 across and you have 3 segments, you divide that by 3, and that gives you the diameter, not the radius. All right, so you're going to have to divide that by 2. And then lastly here on number 7, you have to plot the vertices, all right, and then find the area and the perimeter of each. Alright, so take your time today and make sure you have all of them right, and have a great spring break and happy Easter, and I'll be with you online learning here when you get back.